Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet app. To know how to find a solution about Google Meet, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Google Meet. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You'll wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.